And here we are, Planet Endako. We're going to prepare to save Clank.
To center the camera, tap L1.
Our best buddy Clank. That's in very bad shape right now. Okay. Throwing stars like a ninja. Should probably go buy some ammunition. Shouldn't be a bad idea. Oh, I can get this weapon. Use the electrolyzer. There's a trophy, and I don't know if there's a skill point for killing some of these robots with weights. And the thing that I think it's missing, it's the shade of the crane, because it's so hard to know where exactly it is. I think in the original there were some shades that, by the looks of it, aren't in the collection. Also, another thing that I hate in this collection, like I said earlier, is the fact that Ratchet's helmet goes out of its place. You guys should note that later on, if you already didn't, because it was visible earlier in one of the parts that I already made. Heavy lancer ammo. Thought about it this time I would have it maxed ammo. By the looks of it, no. Oh crap, I pressed circle by mistake. I didn't notice that one. Huh. When I get distracted one time, I usually fail the rest of them. You can get this guy, and he will kill everyone. So anybody's going to die, which is fine. Laser beam. Also, I'm not going to show you, but if you take the platform a bit farther, put it here, and then we grab that thing over there and put it in the platform. It will explode and reveal the secret passage that leads to... It's not a secret passage, it's really a short room, but it has a platinum bolt inside it. Only if you go. I don't know if you guys wanted to know that. Also, the first time I played this game, a long time back, that I was stuck in this part because I didn't know the crane could move. You know, I was stuck in this room. I didn't know what to do. And then I remember, then in my birthday party, I had some friends there, and my friend simply was like, "I'm in this room, and how the hell did you get in there?" I was a noob back then. But what's done is done, right? And I lost all the bolts that the enemies would give me. Bah. Oh, come on, I was trying to start. I'm almost leveling up my nanotech again.
Clank? Okay, Clank, don't move. I'm coming down. Whoa! Ugh, son of a quark!
Son of a quark.
All right, buddy. Let's get you up and running again.
Final digit of pi is...
Clank? Clank, can you hear me?
Ratchet? Where are we? I must have dozed off.
Don't sweat it. Let's just find a way out of here.
I believe that air duct may offer our only way out.
And now, we are Clank.
To glide, jump, then hold X while in midair. To control microbots, hold triangle and select a command.
Instead of gadget bots, we have microbots. There, I think it's the same shit. And the new addition are these kind of robots.
Use it to build bridges across gaps.
Extend my child.
Lifter bot acquired. Use it to lift large blocks.
Trick is go to this place and the microbots will destroy them without any problem. It was a pleasure, guys. Salute one more time, both of you. Now gadgebots enter. Gadgebots, microbots. It was nice having you as a friend.
Way to go, Clank!
Nothing to it.
You did great. Now, let's go get that experiment back.
Don't know if you guys noticed, but Ratchet's helmet was almost popping out of his
To
head.
jump long distances. To glide over gaps, press X to jump.
I didn't glide.
Clank also comes with a thruster pack option. The thruster pack has the same moves as the helipack, except it uses rocket propulsion. To select the thruster pack, go to the Gadgets menu and select the icon. For a map, press Select or R3.
Now let's complete the other mission. We're going to pollute the floor. Lol, it wasn't supposed for the garbage can to let go some garbage instead of simply disappearing. I have the idea it would do that. Oh crap, there's another one, I didn't notice. I was like scratching my arm, and then boom, I get zapped in my ass.
Peekaboo!
There's an easy platinum bolt right over here. I'm going to show you guys. You thought I was going to commit suicide, didn't you? I don't know why the garbage can simply disappears. Crap. Alright, some junk. We can't really go that way yet. Yay. Upgraded. Might as well stick with it. I don't have any more ammo. This isn't supposed to simply disappear. Oh, come on.
Greetings, morons. Since my employees did such a lousy job of taking care of yous, I thought I'd come and handle things myself. If you want someone
And we
killed
have another
right,
boss
you
battle.
gotta do it yourself.
That I do not consider about boss battle. But what can be done about that? Okay, let's see if I can destroy the gravity.
What with that spots? Back up! I need backup!
Jack and Dexter, the Insomniac Pyramid. That somehow looks similar to one of the objects that can be found on Jack 3 while on the desert. And if we destroy it, we gain some nice quantity of bolts.
Hey, my old swing shot and grind boots.
And we also got the swing shot and grind boots. The swing shot also is faster.
On this planet. Search other planets for available missions.
We're not going to leave this planet just yet. Very quickly we're going to head this way. There's a trophy for destroying... oh, trophy or skill point for destroying most of the items on this level. So... but that's better achieved when you have the Creative Destroyer or whatever it's called. So here we are. Ah, fail.
Put it in the slot. The weapon you want modified. Put it in the slot.
Oh, I get it. You make weapon modifications.
Yep, I can take your puny little weapon, and with a few, tweaks, I can turn it into a powerful piece of equipment. Look, you want me to hook you up or what? I can't hang around here all day.
Okay, I don't think we have lock-on mode, shock mode. I won't buy anything just now. Maybe later. You also know I have that portal that leads to that place with Slim Cognito. Slim also is a recurring character after this game. He appears many times. I mean, I don't think it appears on the PS3 games. Wait just a second.